But let's now focus on South Africa. I think 1-1 against Czech Republic. Do you think that they have enough to still qualify for the group? So, because I think currently they will be taking 3 teams, likely 3 teams, because first 2 qualify. Best of 3.
Best of 3.
Or third place, no. Best of 8, no. Do you think that South Africa can just sneak through? They can sneak through into the round of 32.
Best of third place in our Bafano. Wobutuma for whereby hesitate by points in the group.
Yeah.
And here's the case that South Africa 1 point. And Waka won last match also to play. And last match in a Waka and Team Wokushian also worry for win because we lose against Mexico. And Team also one strength was also in South Africa.
Yes.
If you are comparing, one strength was also in South Africa. And in South Africa, I think the one best Butuma draw against South Korea.
Wow.
And 2 points, so I don't think the Butuma the 2 points are a best of third place. No. I don't think.
Okay. Moving on. I think there was another game that we spoke about yesterday on Coastal Football Extra. That was Switzerland versus Qatar. Sorry, my mistake. It was Switzerland versus Bosnia and Herzegovina. I think it ended with Switzerland scoring 4-1. Yes, as you can see on your screens, Switzerland won by 4-1 against Bosnia. Goals from Granit Xhaka and Cool. Yes, right.
Yeah.
Switzerland against Bosnia 4-1 for Switzerland.
Okay. I think the match, Masana me predicted Switzerland to win, but I didn't expect the goals in the baby them. Yeah, I knew Switzerland would win that match, but no meaning the goals in the bottom why that match. So I think the Switzerland were performing really good, and I think Bosnia had a red card, Anna.
Yes, we need a red card.
I think the Switzerland would take advantage of the red card. I know. Was a BT Bosnia and wow. I think the Switzerland putting good performance.
Yes. I think now Switzerland also has 4 points in the group. I'm also more 4 points. I think. What do you think? Do you think they can qualify?
4 points. We are 4 in the group, and our 4 points. I think they can.
2 games in, you have 4 points. 4 points out of a possible 6.
Out of possible, and what can the last match to play?
Yeah.
I think the 4 points is enough to qualify from the group.
Now, surprisingly, co-host of the World Cup, Canada, Qatar, won 6-0. Wow.
That one is a very surprising.
Yeah. Very surprising result.
Yeah, very surprising.
Wow, very surprising. I think a hat-trick from Jonathan David. Yes, of Juventus. Canada 6, Qatar 0. Are you surprised that Qatar didn't get a goal?
Yeah, I'm very surprised. But Canada winning this match is not a surprise for me. But 6-0, the 6-0 is a surprise for me.
Canada.
Yeah.
Wow.
Canada winning that match is never a surprise for me. But
6-0 is a big result. Yeah. Jonathan David hat-trick. Jonathan David, I think the previous game both chances need to be good. The man, I think in this match, I think he took his chances and then scored a hat-trick. Yes.
Yeah. And right now, Wabaka top scorers of the tournament.
Yeah.
With
Messi and Harry Kane and Mbappe.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. We'll talk about another game that also went on. That is Mexico, who have already booked their place in the round of 32. Mexico winning by a single goal from Luis Romo. Giving Mexico a single goal lead to qualify to the next stage. Mexico, South Korea, surprise? Okay, co-host.
But I think ended up predicting my South Korea to win the match. But I think the Zama as
expected. Yeah,
I expected. Mexico to me. Obo wasn't. Was South Korea and.
Currently, Mexico has 6 points out of 6 in the group.
6 out of 6.
2 games.
And for now, the BENTUM Academy Mexico, they are true.
Yes, they are qualified. They have qualified for the next stage.
Yeah, they are true. And see our pressure now about South Korea. And South Korea see my guys. Like I really they feel them. Somehow I am a star, but I think that with South Africa, South Korea about to match it. Or about true.
Yeah. Okay. That is for the group A. I think groups A and group B. Yes. That is groups A and group B. Now another game that, as you can see USA here. Today USA will be playing against the Australia. Yes. As you can see, I'm repping the United States of America. Australia versus Australia. That will be at 7 p.m. today. Another game that will be taking place today is Group D. Sorry, Group D. I think Scotland and Morocco. Yes, will also be playing today at 10 p.m. And there will also be Brazil versus Haiti in Philadelphia. Yes, that will all take up. That will be taking place today. Any thoughts on USA versus Australia? What to expect?
USA versus Australia. I think USA will win this game. USA will win this game. US.
Well, their first match will win by 4 goals to 0.
Yeah.
US. Are you expecting the same performance or the same results?
US BENTUM will win the game, but I don't think they'll be that much goals. Yeah, I think they BENTUM will 2-1, another 1-0. It won't be
huge margin, like the first game.
Yeah.
Because Australia should win against Turkey, beating them by 2 goals.
Yeah, but I mean, I'll go for US. US will win this game.
US will win this game. Scotland versus Morocco.
Scotland versus Morocco.
Yeah, high octane Morocco.
Yeah, Africa. And me, World Cup, no. Me the favorite teams to win the World Cup, no. Was a France and those European this thing.
Yeah.
I think the Morocco they are also a favorite. I think the first match was draw.
Yeah.
And this match against Scotland, this is the will put in all. And
Scotland should win 1-0 against Haiti.
Yeah.
1-0. First game was 1-0. Goal from McGinn of Aston Villa.
So I think that the move group way. The move group way are a very dangerous group.
Yes.
And group no bears in a part to qualify from this group.
Brazil, Morocco, Scotland, and Haiti.
Yeah, Brazil and Morocco draw. And see Brazil so Wakobo Haiti and Brazil don't lose in the game.
Morocco needs a result against Scotland.
They need 3 points. Yes. Actually, 1 point in your good.
Scotland is already different demo.
Scotland.
I think 10 p.m. is going to. We think it's a big game that today.
It's a very big game. Scotland won but for lose.
Yeah.
And Morocco so they need the 3 points. Yes. Morocco they will win and because we win so we'll jump at 2 points. And 2 points I think they will be share Haiti for the last match. And
as Haiti bear whipping boys in the group banner.
Oh. Haiti. Me sure that when you there group no woman it will be hard for them.
Yeah.
Morocco Haiti obession. At a group way a very dangerous group. Because some Morocco jump 2 points. Now we Haiti 5 points.
Wow. Which are third best crowd. They are making a case for third best.
Yeah. So I think the group way a very difficult group. If some can work for 2 like they used to be and group way very very difficult group.
Another game in the same group is Brazil versus Haiti. Brazil versus Haiti. What do you think we should expect?
Oh, Brazil, Haiti.
I think first game, players they didn't come to the party. Players I was very disappointed. Rafinha didn't show up. Igor Thiago of Brentford. 20 goals in the season in the Premier League. Amboshi against Morocco. I'm expecting something from them today. I think Vinicius showed up, but then it wasn't the performance that deserved the accolades he was getting. Brazil versus Haiti, something's more on the Brazil-Haiti game.
Brazil, I think as a whole Brazil right now, like Brazilians and expectations are very high.
Yeah.
For the team.
Because Neymar should have missed this game. Neymar will miss the game, this second game again.
Yeah. Neymar will be out to the Jordan. Are you all about Black Stars?
No. As soon as it.
Oh, Neymar, you there. Hey, Payna Neymar wire as a twin channel. Neymar or injuries.
Yeah.
Or injuries or force the car. Oba playing the last. I know Oba BP like Neymar can sign a fix for that game.
Yeah.
But Brazil qualities now.
Yes.
But I think the expectations, it's what how
I understand. In these matches, I'm looking forward to Brazil preparing them. And it was Shahid to get 10. Because the quality, the gulf in quality between the two teams is too much.
Yeah.
Yes.
Brazil over too much, but you know sometimes it depends on what qualities now. At the end, you know. I think
this current Brazil.
Yeah. Portugal experience be just last 3 days or so. Well, depending on one quality now, when you made definitely Congo one. And
they underestimated the
yeah, when you're born,
just remember Brazil and underestimated Haiti.
No. Brazil or quality no. Brazil or quality no to win this game, but I think they although put in effort when you Morocco will put.
Yes.
No more underestimate one. Football be able to meet.
I think one game we are letting it slide, but I think we need to bring it up is Turkey versus Paraguay. Also Turkey also in the same group with Australia, US, and then yes. So Turkey Paraguay.
I think Turkey won first match, they lost and
what's that one?
Turkey lost. And to take it so over for points, over for 3 points, And Paraguay so will lose one first match.
Yes, Paraguay will lose one first match.
But
but
to compare taking a Paraguay, I think that
Paraguay and the US show fall.
I think that to compare Turkey and Paraguay, I think the Turkey will put match Paraguay.
I think in the first game we were disappointed. I think the big players didn't step up. Ada Guler of Real Madrid, Kenan Yildiz of Juventus, we didn't see much of them in that game. I think we were expecting more from the Turkish. Another on the side of Paraguay, I think Miguel Amiron, we didn't get of him, so we were expecting more from this game. Turkey versus Paraguay. I think any surprises since I was starting games? Any surprises?
This tournament, Ankasa, why full of surprises for me.
Okay.
For me, why full of surprises for me, especially a Portugal game.
Portugal, I think as of today, people are flooding Bruno Fernandes's IG comment section, telling him to pass the ball to Ronaldo and all that. I think their next game will be crucial for them. Yes.
I know, but them so I'm pressure, but team I'm a pressure, and I think the pressure will be so bad team it won't help. Because about to mark it as born in Ronaldo, what if they were saying now?
Yeah.
I think that this tournament in Ankasa, I am very surprised, and even Ghana and match in Crampo. Obel should be there, can testify there. Winning, why do you really winning? Because boy, you're bueno. And your boy already win the Panama.
Yeah.
And your boy,
Yamboshi. Ghana, we keep going back because Yamboshi.
And your boy did. But you to me, you really win in the last minute. And see, tournament, I think the country will be very prepared.
Yeah.
Very
prepared. Until there before now, if you there in Boston,
now you're very prepared for the tournament. And see, I think that this tournament, it will be a very good one. Especially you do round of 32, the knockout stages, and I think they will be very interesting tournaments.
Okay. In other news, I think the transfer window in the various European the European transfer window is open, and then there has been some big deals that have been announced by teams. I think Victor Munoz to Liverpool, Bernardo Silva to Real Madrid, Ibrahim Konate to Real Madrid from Liverpool. I think currently Real Madrid is working on a deal to sign Enzo Fernandez. I think they are in talks with the player. Everything has been agreed on the player's side, just waiting on the teams to have talks. There are other deals, notable ones but no deals involving Ghanaian players. But I think Caleb Irenchi, our goal scorer against Panama, has also been linked to a move to Brighton. I think there are some major deals that will be happening later in the course of the month.
And I think Florentino Perez, Madrid president, I think all find ways and means. Was watching Michael Olise.
Yes, Michael Olise.
Was an Real Madrid. But Bayern is when you're ready to obey Michael Olise. And I think there was a 20 million or quite. I think there was a 180 million or something.
Yes, it was 150 million euros.
150 million. And I think the Bayern were rejected is canon. And also they do 200.
200 was that any release clause? Release clause of 200 million pounds.
Yeah. And still Bayern is there. Now I think France won the first match, and after the game, Mbappe make a comment to be about Michael Olise. And Mbappe saying that only Olise or pay or feel, because Olise understand and run and know the movement fast. And I think that was now spark the interests of
Real Madrid.
And I think the Andra Florentino Perez. Why is it 22 million? There was some that
222. Okay.
For Michael Olise, and I don't think they base that.
Sure, the
Bayern, according to Bayern, when you're ready, and it depends on Michael Olise. If Michael Olise or Pedal Kwa, I don't think the Bayern bottom watch a chain change now. And it's gonna see amount per a huge amount. So I don't think that say Olise cut up Pedal Kwa Bayern Obakades can want.
The conversation is becoming interesting in the transfer market. I think there's a lot that we have to talk about. Unfortunately, time won't permit us. I think we want to give thanks to our sponsors, National Petroleum Authority, the Taste Catering Services, Diesel Gift Shop, Nesto Ventures, Immense Hardware and Finishes, Patmo Print, and all that one that was in our Simayazi programming now as a bro. Want to big thanks to those in the MCR, Mr. J, Ben, Tyrone, and the rest of the group that are working behind us tirelessly, that you don't see them. Big shout out to also them. Today is the birthday of my little brother Kelvin BENTUM MENSAH. Happy birthday, bro. Keep shining. That will be all for us here in the studio. This has been Sports Mix. Thank you very much.